Oh, smokes. So, here we go. These are the three things we talked about yesterday. This is for homework 1, unit 6. Alright, first thing, symbols. Second thing, law of conservation of mass. Last thing is your naming. Alright, so here are the symbols that we're talking about. Produces with 2, produces, forms, yields, that kind of stuff. You also got the plus and the solid, the liquid, gas, aqueous, and then the reaction arrow. Okay, so important for you to know that. Do that, and that, and then that. Now, one other thing that you need to know is this guy right here. Okay, reaction arrow with something written on top of it. So that right there means that a catalyst is going to be formed. Okay, so that is a catalyst. Alright, pause the video, copy that down. Okay, so the other part, something else that we talked about yesterday, was law of conservation of mass. So if you are given a formula, like let's say H2 plus O2 yields H2O, so that's 2. Okay, so if I'm given 13 grams of this stuff, and I know that I end up with 17 grams of this stuff over here, I need to know how many grams of oxygen I had. So basically this is an equation. 13 plus x equals 17. So in order to solve for x, I do 13 minus 13, so x equals 4 grams. Let's make it a little bit complicated, more complicated. Okay, so let's say I had AlCl3 plus Cu goes to Al plus CuCl3. Say I had 16 grams of this stuff, I had 10 grams of this stuff, X, and I have 20 grams of this stuff. So again, same deal. Plus equals plus. And so what that means is I add this up together, so that's 26 grams equals X plus 20 minus 20, because I got the X over there, minus 20. So X equals 6 grams. Okay, last thing we talked about. Last thing we talked about was naming. So what it is for naming is if I have a molecule, molecule, that means I have a covalent compound. If I have a unit, I have an ionic compound. And if I have an atom, it's just that, an atom. So, let's say I have 3ZnO. Okay? Now this is an ionic compound, so I'd end up having 3 units of zinc. Zinc oxide, my bad. Alright, now if I have CO, 2CO, that's 2 molecules of carbon monoxide. You get the point. Now, last but not least, if I have just Mg, say I have 4 Mg, that's 4 atoms of magnesium. Alright, not bad. That's pretty much it for this video. See you tomorrow.